All right, good afternoon, guys. So everything's looking strong, everything's looking healthy so far in the markets after a fantastic weekly close above the 50-week yesterday. So far, so good for Monday, guys. Hopefully, Monday's not a liar. And what I mean by that is usually or a lot of times, however Monday plays out, the rest of the week tends to play out the opposite. But I don't think that's the case this time around. I think we will continue to see our way upwards. I mean, we will see minor red corrections along the way, but I am anticipating the next 12 to 15 weeks to be generally up and to the right from this point forward, unless we end up collapsing below the 50-week and closing a weekly candle there. Then obviously we are going down into a bear market. So let's make sure that that doesn't happen, right? Make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get into a little bit, like I said, kind of a mixed bag across the market. Everything's looking good. Some good DCA opportunities out there still, as I always say, guys. Listen, you don't have to DCA. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not your financial advisor, but me, I am most definitely going to be scooping up more at these prices before we really start to take off. So let's get into it. We got some Jenction stuff to get into, guys, and we got some Zebec stuff to get into. So let's get going. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins. Keep your crypto safe. Keep it in your own self custody. If you use our link in the description, you're going to get a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet today. You can swap your crypto, take profits, and even stake your crypto or your stablecoin right on your Decent wallet without having to worry about centralized exchanges telling you your trading has been frozen. So again, use our link down below. Get yourself a Decent wallet today. All right, continuing on to what we were looking at this morning in terms of Jenction, we covered the tokenomics of it, the token utility, the GPU supply, staking, and bidding. That's right. GPU providers may commit JCT to obtain VEJCT, a non-transferable credential representing participation, reliability, and contribution to the network. This enables access to marketplace mechanisms such as bidding, matching, and priority allocation, reflecting each provider's service quality and uptime performance. The staking process symbolizes alignment, a voluntary signal of long-term commitment and operational trust. Through the design, Jenction ensures that resource allocation is governed not only by capacity, but by sustained participation and integrity within the decentralized GPU ecosystem. So staking will be available. I'm excited to see what the APY will be. That will be exciting. Payments and network usage. AI users can settle their computational requirements using either stablecoins or JCT, with both methods contributing to the overall validity of the ecosystem. So, for the ability to utilize their GPU processing power, companies can pay in stablecoin or in JCT tokens. So, it is a payment method as well. When transacting in JCT, users may unlock functional network credits or fee reductions determined by governance parameters, enabling more flexible service access and long-term engagement. The mechanisms do not imply any form of financial return. Rather, they are designed to cultivate genuine on-chain utility, creating a continuous feedback loop between compute consumption and token participation. In essence, JCT operates as an operational energy circulating through the Jenction network, maintaining flow, efficiency, and interconnection across all participants. Number 3, the governance and ecosystem development. Holders of VEJCT participate in decentralized governance, influencing marketplace configurations, ecosystem grants, and functional budget parameters. Through transparent on-chain processes, governance participants guide the protocol's trajectory and resource distribution, ensuring the system remains adaptable and community driven. This model positions governance not as ownership, but as stewardship, where contributors collectively safeguard the integrity and evolution of the network. Beyond network contributions and functional recognition, beyond direct staking and governance, the Jenction network encourages a spectrum of contributions from infrastructure support to data validation, community initiatives. My eyes are buggy today. The technical developments. Participants who contribute value may from time to time receive recognition or allocation determined by governance consensus. Such mechanisms are fluid and adaptive, emphasizing the spirit of contribution rather than guaranteed outcomes. JCT thereby represents the shared commitment of its participants, a symbol of coordination in a distributed, verifiable computing landscape. The V long-term alignment, or V, it's a Roman numeral, long-term alignment. Jenction's design philosophy centers on mutual reinforcement between compute providers, AI users, and ecosystem governors. Each participant type contributes to and benefits from the sustainable growth of the network. The GPU providers, the AI users, and the governors and builders. This model establishes a self-balanced ecosystem where participants generate network resilience, and resilience fuels further participation. Over time, this alignment forms a structural moat around Jenction's decentralized AI infrastructure, sustaining both network health and long-term community engagement. And the network vision, of course. Jenction envisions a world where decentralized GPU intelligence operates as a public infrastructure layer for AI, verifiable, permissionless, and community-owned. By merging blockchain coordination and high-performance computation, Jenction extends the principles of transparency and composability into the AI domain. In this vision, JCT serves as the unifying thread connecting the technical, economic, and social dimensions of decentralized AI ecosystems. It transforms isolated compute resources into collective intelligence network where innovation, trust, and scalability emerge organically through coordination rather than control. Jenction aims not only to build infrastructure for AI, but to redefine how intelligence is processed, accessed, and governed in an open network native world. Absolutely bullish, guys. So that's the latest and greatest on Jenction. Let's go look at some Zebec stuff. I know you've been waiting for it. Now, before I get into this clip for Zebec, courtesy of CryptoChrome, make sure you follow CryptoChrome over on X. I just want to add to the Jenction thing. Remember, guys, I am going to Jasmy Labs at the end of this month. I will be there for an entire week filming a mini documentary series all about Jasmy and Jenction. I will be interviewing Hara as well and others. So we're going to get a more well-rounded breakdown of Jenction, what it's about, what their plans are, and so much more. The differences between the two tokens so that people can stop panicking and all that, guys. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, but you love Jasmy, you're curious about Jenction, make sure you're subscribed because we will be releasing that mini documentary series and you're not going to want to miss it. It's going to give you all the answers you're looking for. All right, let's get into this from CryptoChrome. Zebec payment rails shift.
Something is happening under the surface of digital payments. It's quiet. But if you follow Zebec, ZBCN, or XRP, you've probably felt the shift building. It feels like the moment the ground moves before a wave reaches the shore. A sign that something bigger is forming. Before we go deeper, share this with a friend who loves connecting the dots, because this next part is where things get interesting. Recently, in an X Spaces call, Zebec CEO Simon Babakani explained what many in the community have been sensing. He pointed out that major players like Coinbase, MasterCard, Ripple, BlackRock, and even national banks are all entering the same emerging lane: real-time digital payments powered by stablecoins, tokenized cash, and instant settlement rails. For new investors, imagine today's money system like a street full of stoplights. Every payment has to pause, wait, then move again. These institutions are trying to replace those stoplights with one continuous tunnel. Fast, smooth, and always open. Simon also clarified something important. Ripple's recent moves aren't competition for Zebec. They're validation that the global shift toward programmable, compliant, instant payments is real and accelerating. And while the momentum builds, Zebec has already been laying the foundation. The company acquired GateKnox, bringing Wojtek Zarski into lead advanced custody. It earned SOC 2 certification for enterprise security. It secured MiCA licensing in the European Union. It began integrating with ISO 2022 so banks can communicate directly with its systems. It's working toward compatibility with NACHA and SWIFT. It's already deployed on Circle's ARC testnet. And it's connected across 19 blockchains and more than 100 institutions. Crypto Chrome has been studying all of this like a researcher piecing together a growing pattern. And every chapter points in the same direction. For beginners, the moment we're in now is similar to the years right before smartphones took over. Everyone focused on features on the surface, but the real transformation was happening in the invisible network underneath. Payments are experiencing that same quiet evolution today. Look around and you'll see the signs. Countries like Switzerland exploring national stablecoins, the United Kingdom defining rules for stablecoin payments, enterprises testing real-time payroll, and Zebec preparing a major stablecoin summit spaces with leaders from the top ecosystems. If this shift makes sense to you, share this with someone who wants to understand the future before it arrives, and drop a comment telling.
Absolutely, guys. Listen, people like myself, Max, and Rue Black, we talk about the payment rails, Zebec, XRP, Quant, XLM, all the time, you guys. Very, very big. This is what the future looks like, my friends. You can get in early, or you can sit on the sidelines and wish that you did later. It's not financial advice. I'm only here to educate and entertain you. Every video I show you guys at the end that we have been absolutely crushing it in our trading group. Whether the market's going up, the market's going down, guys, we're dropping daily trade videos and we are in profits, no matter which direction the market is going in. If that sounds like something you want to be doing, not just sitting on your hands when the market is red, but actually making a profit, join our trading group today. Again, we drop daily trade videos over there where we walk you through everything. If you don't know how to trade, we have tutorial videos over there, training courses that are absolutely free to all of our Patreon members. You have exclusive access to all of it as a member of the Patreon, and you can even practice our trades with fake money over on BTCC using our link down below. So you can practice and get good at it without putting your own money at risk. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Join me, join thousands of other members today in our trading group. You can also book one-on-one coaching calls, join our group coaching calls if you need more understanding, or you need guidance on exit strategies, profit-taking plans, how to figure out where liquidity is in the market so that your sell orders fill, and so much more, guys. Our newsletter, everything. You have access to all of that and so much more for less than the price of a cup of coffee, my friends. Check it out today. The link is down below, or use the QR code in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.